Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your Reels on Facebook. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook application and make sure that you are logged in to your account using your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken into your homepage, from which if you wish to edit any of your Reels, just tap on your profile picture icon alongside the What's on Your Mind box, which will take you into your profile. From your profile page, just tap on Reels, and this will now show you all of your Reels that are present within your profile. Go ahead and tap on any Reel that you wish to edit, and then you can click on the three dots at the bottom right corner, and you will now find the Edit Reel option. Go ahead and click on this, and now you will be able to make your desired changes and also set your visibility. After choosing your desired option and making your edits, tap on the Save button, and your Reel will be updated with your edit that you just made right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to edit your Reels on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.